Khajuraho group of monuments. Out of the 85 temples built, only 22 temples have survived. These magnificent masterpieces were built by the kings of Chandela dynasty between 10th and 11th century AD. The best example of these is the Kandariya Mahadev temple. These represent the religious, spiritual and human semblance of artistic representation. Inscribed in the year 1986 to the UNESCO World Heritage List, is located in the state of Madhya Pradesh. Group of monuments at Mamallapuram. The site is approximately 58 kilometers from Chennai city in the state of Tamil Nadu. These monuments were built during 7th and 8th century rule of Pallava kings. These are 40 monuments carved out of rocks, setting perfect example for Dravidian style of rock-cut architecture. One of the largest of these is the bas-relief in the world. The other eye-catching monuments are Ratha temples, cave sanctuaries, and the descent of the Ganges, which is also called as Arjun's penance, is the largest open-air relief. The Mountain Railways of India. The Mountain Railways of India represent a collective listing of Darjeeling Himalayan Railway, the Nilgiri Mountain Railways, and the Kalka Shimla Railway under the UNESCO World Heritage Site. Two railways, the Darjeeling Himalayan Railway, which was established in 1881, and the Kalka Shimla Railway, which was established in 1898, are located in the rugged hill regions of the Himalayan of northern India. And the other two, Nilgiri Mountain Railways, established in 1908, and the Matheran Hill Railway, established in 1907, are located in the rugged regions of the Western Ghats of southern India. The World Heritage UNESCO recognition of these mountain railways of India has been stated as for being outstanding examples of bold, ingenious engineering solutions for problems of establishing an effective rail link through a rugged mountainous terrain. The Victorian Art Deco ensembles of Mumbai. This is a collection of the Victorian Gothic buildings and Art Deco buildings. These collective sites were inscribed to UNESCO World Heritage Site in 2018. And these buildings include Bombay High Court, Rajabai Clock Tower, Eros Cinema, and the University of Mumbai. These represent one of the best Gothic buildings of the colonial era in India. Architectural site of Nalanda Mahavihara at Nalanda. Located in the state of Bihar, the site was inscribed to UNESCO World Heritage List in the year 2016. These include the archaeological remains of a monastery and a university dating from 3rd century BC to 13th century AD. The site includes viharas, stupas, shrines, and many other structures. Regarded as the most influential ancient university, Nalanda and its remains exemplify the global scholarly outreach. Group of monuments at Pattadakal. These Hindu temples at Pattadakal in North Karnataka were built during 6th and 8th century by the Chalukya rulers. Considered to be the most remarkable experimentation in Hindu temple architecture of Vesara style. There are 8 temples in the Hindu Heritage Temples complex of Pattadakal dedicated to Lord Shiva. The most outstanding architectural edifice of these monuments is the Virupaksha temple built by Queen Lakkamahadevi in 740 AD. There is also a Jain sanctuary called Jain Narayana Temple. These monuments were inscribed to the UNESCO World Heritage List in the year 1987. Champaner Pavagad Archaeological Park. The site includes largely unexcavated archaeological, historic, and living cultural heritage properties spread amidst an impressive landscape. Is in the state of Gujarat. The site has prehistoric remains, a hill fortress of an early Hindu capital, and a structure of 16th century Gujarat capital of pre-Mughal Islamic glory at Champaner. The site was added to UNESCO World Heritage List in the year 2004.
Today, let me take you to Champaner. Welcome to Champaner, the University of Architecture. These bridged structures symbolize the essence of religious harmony. They teach us how to live peacefully. When Hindu and Muslim cultures came together, the Indo-Saracenic style of architecture was born. They say God created man in his image, and men thanked God by building this for him. Champaner is a champion of architecture. It's a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Kalika Mata, lakhs of devotees have been coming here for thousands of years. Breathe in this marvel of architecture, this glorious past. Breathe in a bit of Gujarat.
Qutub Minar and its monuments. Qutub Minar and its monuments were inscribed to UNESCO World Heritage Sites list in 1993. One of the most famous World Heritage Sites in India, the Qutub Minar was built in 1193 by the first Muslim ruler of Delhi, Qutbuddin Aibak of the Mamluk dynasty, after the defeat of Delhi's last Hindu kingdom. The Qutub Minar is one of the several other buildings located within the Qutub complex, and it occupies the center stage mainly due to its height. It is 73 meters tall and has a diameter of 15 meter at the base and 2.5 meter at the top. It was built by Aibak to honor the famous Sufi saint Qutbuddin Bakhtiyar Kaki. Near to Qutub Minar is the Quwwat-ul-Islam Mosque, which was built on the ruins of Lal Kot of the previous Hindu kingdom and is also known to be one of the first mosques in the country. It is also famous for its brick minarets surrounding it. These, for its monuments, are collectively known as Qutub Minar complex and represent one of the earliest known symbols for Islamic architecture in India. And the same complex also houses the Iron Pillar, which has been one of the best examples of metallurgical innovations. Rani Ki Vav. Rani Ki Vav, meaning the Queen's Stepwell at Patan in Gujarat state, was inscribed into UNESCO World Heritage Sites list in 2014. It is famous for the size and sculptures. The length of the Rani Ki Vav is more than 64 meters long and 20 meters wide and 27 meters deep, and there are more than 500 sculptures of gods and goddesses. Most of the sculptures are in devotion to Vishnu, in the form of 10 avatars, Kalki, Rama, Narsimha, Vamana, Varaha, etc. The Red Fort, Delhi. Situated in the center of the historic city of New Delhi, the Red Fort was built by Emperor Shah Jahan when he shifted his capital from Agra to Delhi, or what was earlier known as Shahjahanabad. The fort became the political hub of the Mughals. Under Shah Jahan, Mughal art and architecture reached its zenith, and the Red Fort is a perfect example of that. One can see the blending of Indo-Islamic, Timurid, Hindu and Persian forms of architecture in the several facets of the Red Fort. It's made up of red sandstone and houses several other smaller buildings such as the private pavilions, the Diwani Arm, Diwani Khas, etc. And the Red Fort was inscribed into the UNESCO World Heritage Site list in 2007. Buddhist monuments at Sanchi. These monuments at Sanchi in the state of Madhya Pradesh were inscribed to UNESCO World Heritage List in 1989. These represent the manifestation of Indian cultural heritage. Commissioned by Emperor Ashoka in 3rd century BC, the Sanchi Stupa is located 46 kilometers northeast of Bhopal. Its core was a hemispherical brick structure built over the relics of Buddha and was crowned by the chhatra, which symbolizes rank. The stupa was vandalized during 2nd century BC and renovated during the Shatavahana period, when the gateways and the balustrade were built and colored. Apart from the Sanchi stupa, several other structures exist here, such as monolithic pillars, temples, palaces, and monasteries. It remained an important pilgrimage site for the Buddhists till about 12th century AD, after which the religion declined in popularity in India. Konark Sun Temple is in the state of Odisha and was inscribed to World Heritage Sites list in 1984. The temple is built in the shape of a chariot of Surya, the sun god, with 24 wheels driven by 6 horses. The temple was built by Narasimha Deva I of Ganga dynasty. It is also called as Black Pagoda, as it looks black due to black granite used in construction and its immense magnetic power that would draw ships to the shore and wreck them. Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal is a beautifully built marble structure. It is a mausoleum of Mumtaz Begum, wife of Shah Jahan, a Mughal emperor. It took 16 years to complete, from 1631 to 1648. It was inscribed to World Heritage List in 1983. Calligraphic and floral engraving glorify the beauty of the monument. Built on the river Yamuna, Taj Mahal has also been in controversy over its original structure, claimed to be Tejo Mahal by some historians.